Hi everyone, welcome to the lecture number 4 of unit number 2 vector integration. In this lecture we are going to discuss the examples on work done. So very first example I have written here, find the work done in moving a particle once around the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 comma z equal to 0 under the field of force given by F bar equal to 2x minus y plus z into I cap plus x plus y minus z square into j cap plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z into k cap. And another question added, is the field conservative? Okay, so this is the example of work done. Means we have to calculate here the line integral over c f bar dot dr bar, and the equation of curve is given as it is an ellipse, okay, in three-dimensional space. So as this is ellipse means it is a closed curve, right? It is a closed curve means we don't have end points here, okay? Means for closed curve we can't find end start point and end point, okay? It is a closed curve, so it is not the example of that type which we have discussed in previous lecture where the points A and B are given, okay? It is a closed curve type example, so means we have to directly calculate the work done. And another question asked is the field conservative? So whenever field is conservative, its work done for over a closed curve is always equal to 0, because we have discussed that in conservative force field the work done of the particle depends upon the end points of the curve, okay? And we have evaluated the value of the integral as phi at b minus phi at a, but if a and b are the same point, then phi at b minus phi at a will be equal to 0. Means for a closed curve, in the if the field is conservative, work done will be 0. So we just have to calculate the work done here, and if the answer equal to 0, then we'll say that it is the field is conservative. Otherwise, it will not be a conservative field. So let us start calculating the integral. So very first, I will write the definition of work done. We have work done equal to integral over c f bar dot dr bar, okay? So here f bar is given as, so after taking dot product of f bar with dr bar, we'll have 2x minus y plus z into dx plus x plus y minus z square dy plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z dz, okay? Now I will write the equation of curve given that c equal to, it is an ellipse x square by 25 y square by 16 equal to 1 comma z equal to 0. So over this curve z is 0, okay? So if z is 0, dz also 0, okay? And we are having equation of ellipse, so we can use the parametric, we have to convert this to a single variable, and we know the parametric equations of ellipse. Parametric equations of ellipse, x square by a square for x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Parametric equations are x equal to a cos t, y equal to b sin t. These are the parametric equations of an ellipse, okay? So we are going to transfer this xyz to parameter, but z is already 0, so dz is 0, so we don't have to use the value of z here. We just have to convert x and y to a parameter by using parametric equations of ellipse. Here the value of a is a square equal to 25, so a is 5, b square equal to 16, so b is 4. Therefore parametric equations are x equal to 5 cos t and y equal to 4 sin t. So therefore dx will be 5 minus 5 sin t dt, and dy will be equal to 4 cos t dt. And the limits of t for complete ellipse, parameter t is, for complete ellipse it is 0 to 2 pi for complete ellipse. If half ellipse we are having, it will be 0 to pi, and for 1/4 of ellipse it will be 0 to pi by 2. So this is how we are going to solve the examples. We have transferred the variable x, y, z to a single variable, that is parameter. Z we don't need to transfer z because z is already 0. dz is equal to 0. Only x and y we have transferred. So on using in give this equation number 1 on using in 1 above data. So we'll get work done equal to 0 to 2 pi are the limits. 2x plus y, z we are going to put 0, 2x, 2 into x, x is 5 cos t, so it will be 10 cos t, then minus y is minus 4 sin t, dx, dx is minus 5 sin t dt, dx is minus 5 sin t dt, plus x plus y, that is 5 cos t, plus y is 4 sin t, and dy is 4 cos t dt, and dz is 0, so the third term will become 0. Now just multiply and collect the terms together. 0 to 2 pi, 10 cos t into this minus 5 sin t, it will be minus 50 sin t cos t. Here we'll have 5 into 4, 20, 4 into 4, 16 sin t cos t. This 16, this minus 50 will be equal to minus 34 sin t cos t. Then sin t minus plus 4 into 5, 20 sin square t. Here we have 20 cos square t. So 20 sin square t plus 20 cos square t will be 20 into sin square t plus cos square t, which is 1. 20 into sin square t plus cos square t. So this will be the remaining terms, and dt. Sin square t plus cos square t is 1. So finally we'll have this equal to, there are two integrals, 0 to 2 pi 20 dt minus 34 into 0 to 2 pi sin t cos t dt. So both integrals can be evaluated. The second one, here we have sin t into cos t. We can evaluate this using reduction formulas. Okay. So this reduction formula we are going to use. Integration of 0 to 2 pi sin raised to m theta cos raised to n theta with respect to theta equal to 4 times 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to m theta cos raised to n theta. If n is even, power of cos is even, then it will be 4 times 0 to pi by 2. And if power of cos is odd, it will be 0 directly. So if you see this, if you see our final integration, here we have power of cos as 1. 1 is odd, so the integration of the second integration will be 0. So only this integration we have to calculate. So it will be, work done will be equal to 20 into integration of t is dt is t, 0 to 2 pi, and second integration will be 0. And after calculating, this will be equal to 40 pi. This is the final answer, which is a non-zero, not equal to 0. Therefore field is, f bar is not conservative field. Okay, f bar is not conservative field. This same problem can be solved using Green's theorem also, but that theorem we have not discussed. We have solved this using this technique. Okay, now I will give you some, I will take one more example on work done, and few examples for practice I will give. This is another problem on work done. Find the work done in taking a particle from 0, 1, minus 1 to pi by 2, minus 1, 2 in a force field given by this equation. Is the field conservative? Now in this problem, if you see, the equation of curve is not mentioned, but the points are mentioned, means two end points of the curve are mentioned. Okay, whenever the end points of the curve are mentioned in such examples, definitely the given field will be conservative field, and we can't calculate integration by using previous example, because we don't have equation of curve, so we can't find the parametric equation and we can't evaluate it. So we have to use that technique we have discussed in previous lecture, that we have to show first it is a conservative, and then we have to calculate scalar potential, and in that scalar potential we are going to put these points, and we'll get the answer as by doing the subtraction of phi at b minus phi at a. So this is how we are going to do it. So first I will prove that it is a irrotational field, and then I will calculate the scalar potential associated with, and using that scalar potential I am going to calculate the final integration. So this is for proving that field is conservative. We have to show that curl is 0. I have calculated curl. By definition of curl, it is ijk del by del x del by del y del by del z f1 f2 f3 components of the given force field. After calculating this determinant, we'll get this type of calculation. Okay, so you can check it. And finally, it is 0 of vector, that is 0 bar, and this will imply f bar is conservative field. So once f bar is conservative field, there exists a scalar potential phi such that f bar equals to del phi. Now we are going to do the calculation of scalar potential phi also. Okay, formula we have for calculating scalar potential phi when f bar is in terms of x, y, z. It is integral condition on first integral y is comma z constant f1 dx, first component's integration with respect to x, plus integration second integrations conditions are z constant and no x, terms free of x. Only term free of x from f2 is minus 4 dy, plus triple integration no x no y, term free of x and y, both x and y. In the f3 we have term free of x, both x and y, that is 2, plus 2 is the term which is both free of, which is free of both x and y, that we have taken, plus constant of integration. Now after integrating using these conditions of constant, we'll get this phi y square sin x plus z cube x minus 4y plus 2z plus c. You can check the calculations. Now we have calculated phi. By using that phi, we can calculate the required work done. Now we have the formula for work done. In the case of when endpoints of the curve are given, it is phi at b minus phi at a, where b is the end point of the curve and a is the starting point. Okay, so here a and b are given in example. You can check the question back. From 0 1 minus 1 to this means this is starting point, this is end point, so this is a, this is b, so that I have taken here. And after calculating phi at b, we'll get this calculations, this constant also there. Okay, 1 plus 8 pi by 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus c, minus phi at a, we'll get minus 4 minus 2. After subtracting, we'll get 4 pi plus 15. This is the final answer. Okay, you can check the calculations. So this is how we proceed in the when the endpoints are given. First you show that when endpoints of the curve are mentioned in the example of work done, you first show that the field is conservative, then calculate the phi, and once you get the phi, just make use of the given points and substitute them in the calculated phi, and after doing the subtraction you will get the required value of the work done. Now a few problems on work done I will give you for practice. Okay, one example of previous type, one example of this type I will give for practice, and you try them at home. So these are the two examples for homework. Find the work done in moving a particle along x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, z equal to b theta, which is the parametric equations of x, y, z, from theta equal to pi by 4 to pi by 2, limits of theta, under a field of force given by this. Now if you see the value of f bar, it is already mentioned in the terms of theta. So when you calculate work done, you need to take the dot product of f bar dot dr bar, and there you will have dx dy dz. For calculating dx dy dz, these values of x, y, z are given. So make their use and calculate it, and try to evaluate that integration within the limit 5 by 4 to pi by 2, and the answer for this problem is a square plus b square by 2. So here the equation of curve is mentioned, so it is of the first type of example of work done which we have discussed in this video. And in the next problem we have to calculate the work done by the force. This is the value of f bar in taking a particle from 1 1 1 to 3 minus 5 7. So here curve is not mentioned, parametric equations are not mentioned. It means it is the problem of the second type where end points are given. This is starting point A, this is the point B. So like previous example, you proceed for this example. Answer for this problem is 560 by 3. So that's it from this lecture. In coming lecture we are going to start the Green's theorem. Using Green's theorem also we are going to evaluate the line integrals. So thank you so much.